Welcome to a dose of positivity. How do we make time for ourselves? Seriously, how do we make time for us? So we're always going and doing and taking care of other people. And, we feel guilty when we stop and take care of ourselves. We almost feel selfish. But it's a good thing to take care of yourselves and be selfish sometimes. Otherwise, you can't keep up with the going, doing, and taking care of everybody else. We need that time. We need to just back away from everything and go and find our own space and find peace and quiet and relax and breathe. And don't be afraid of the quiet because the quiet helps. When you have that peace about you and you have quiet space, oh, it feels so good sometimes. So just breathe it in, enjoy it, let it wash over you, and be in the moment. So I'm telling you, once you clear your head sometimes of all the crazy stuff going on in it, all of a sudden new ideas pop up and you're ready to go and do again. So today I am taking care of me. This is the one and only thing I'm doing, and then I'm headed for self-care time. So I'm going to spend time with my family. It doesn't matter what we do, whether we eat together, whether we watch movies together, whether we just chill together, but I am not writing, no more videos, no more Facebook, no more anything. So I am checking out for the day. Anyway, I love you guys. Please take some self-care time for yourselves, okay? Just know that when you take care of you, it helps you be able to take care of other people later. So put yourself first. Love yourself. Take a break. I love you guys.